Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Orleans, Harvey, Marrero, Timberlane, Metairie, Chalmette, Avondale, Belle Chase, Jefferson, Gretna, Harahan, West Wego, Terrytown, Bridge City, Airby, Woodmere, Elmwood, Estelle, River Ridge and Wagaman. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 224 and 245. Interstate 610 between mile markers 1 and 4. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Jefferson, Orleans, Plaquemines, and St. Bernard.